I am a very stylish girl.
Hey everybody, it's TheTribalButterfly here again. And that's the microwave. Okay, so for today's video, you will notice I'm filming from a different angle. That's because in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my epic hot chocolate. So first thing you need is milk. I like the milk to be heated up before I start making the hot chocolate because I just find it's easier that way and you don't have to worry about getting this like semi-cold hot chocolate. It's not semi-cold chocolate, it's hot chocolate. So I like to heat it up a little bit first. Of course the milk carton is pink. Since the hot chocolate is easier to make in smaller portions, I fill up 2 smaller cups, stick them in the microwave for about a minute just to get the milk warmer, and that's how I start. Next I take the mug that I'm actually going to be drinking the hot chocolate out of and put some chocolate in there. For those of you who are American and don't know what Tim Hortons is, I like to use Tim Hortons hot chocolate. Since my mug is big, I like to put a few pretty generous spoonfuls in there. Next I take the milk that I've heated up and steam it. It's a terrible noise. Steamed milk. Since there's 2 cups to steam, you gotta do it twice. But before I steam the second cup, I'm gonna put in some fluff. Fluff is like melted marshmallow in a jar. So I put that in my mug where the hot chocolate's being created. And there you go. And give it a little stir. This way the fluff starts to get heated up, but it also can start taking all that powdery part and making it a little bit more creamy. Now let's steam our second cup. Sounds like you're torturing somebody. When you're done, pour that in the cup too. Look at all that foam from the steamed milk. Just pour all of that right in there and get it all over the big clump of fluff that's in there. All you steamy milk in my cup. Perfect. You can give it another quick stir if you like. Fluff is melting quite nicely. That's yummy. Next thing we're going to want is some whipped cream. Give it a shake. And spray it on top. Perfect. Last but not least, if you're so inclined, you can put a wee bit of cinnamon. Just be careful it's cinnamon because this morning I accidentally almost put cumin on my hot chocolate. Not quite as tasty. Just a little spritz. I mostly like the cinnamon for just a wee bit of color on my whipped cream. And there you have it! A TheTribalButterfly original epic hot chocolate. Enjoy!
I am a very stylish girl.